Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enter game codes and activate Steam Key redeem codes. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Games. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your game library and purchases. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and select the option that says Activate a Product on Steam. This feature is specifically designed for redeeming codes, whether they're from physical game purchases, digital bundles, or promotional offers. Clicking this option will open a new window that walks you through the activation process step by step. Once the activation window opens, you'll see a text field where you can enter your code. Click directly into this text field and carefully type your game code or Steam key exactly as it appears. Make sure to enter every character correctly, including any dashes or special characters, as even a small mistake will prevent the code from working. These codes are case sensitive in some instances, so pay close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. After you've entered your code, look for the Confirm button at the bottom of the window and click on it. This initiates the verification process where Steam checks whether your code is valid and hasn't been used before. You'll need to wait a moment while Steam processes your code and validates it against their database. This usually takes just a few seconds, but the time can vary depending on your connection speed. Once Steam successfully verifies your code, you'll see a confirmation screen showing details about the product you're activating. At this point, simply click the Finish button to complete the activation process. This finalizes everything and adds the game to your account permanently. And that's it. The game will now appear in your library, ready to download and play whenever you want. You've successfully activated your Steam key and expanded your gaming collection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.